Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday jobs report, not quite, market webcast. Okay, it's about 10 after 8 Eastern time as I'm doing this, so 20 minutes to jobs, so I'll make this quick. We're just continuing this grind higher. The 9 days intact, whether it's an upper band ride or not an upper band ride, they had it, they lost it. They're still, they're still holding things on the bid. They're making another set of all-time highs now. The new all-time highs are 45, 45, 75. They did that overnight. And we'll see now heading into the jobs report whether that's a catalyst that can take it really up into the 50 to 65 area, which is open. And if the bears don't do anything about it, it's like I tell you guys just about the same time every month. If the bears aren't going to be present, we're just going to keep grinding. We talked about this, dip, pop, grind, dip, pop, grind, dip, pop, grind, dip, pop, grind. We talked about this back here. Until the next dip, we're going to continue to grind. Doesn't mean you can't be short, but it means that when you are short, you have to be aware of what's working and what's not, and to get out of it and get into the long, which is easier said than done sometimes. Because at least the last 2 sessions, the bears have really been on the edge of opening up a much earlier move. So I have been guilty of hanging on to a couple of runners, trying to see if this is the time they can actually figure it out, and then getting into the longs probably later than I need to. But, what you don't want to be doing is you don't want to be short, not taking profits, holding on, and then adding and adding and adding. Just don't. And anytime anybody mentions to me, whether it's in the room or in the emails that I get every day or in a coaching session about I added to this or I added to that, that story never ends well. I've never heard an I added story that had a happy ending. Never heard one. No happy endings when we're talking about adding. So if I could encourage people to take one thing out of their entire trading existence, it would be adding to stuff that's not working. And that includes pressing stuff and adding to stuff, much farther down or much farther up. You're better off trading in thirds like we do and letting runners work and then seeing what price wants to do and then laddering up into a fresh trade or doing something else. But adding, especially adding the stuff that doesn't work, is the quickest way to get into serious trouble with your account. So, all right, let's leave that tangent over there. Let's come back to today. Hourly chart, you could see this range. And they're trying to hop on top of it. They've come back to test 40 a couple of times overnight. They're above hourly mid. If you get something they perceive to be bullish at 8:30, it's an opportunity for them to lift it. If the bears break it, they're going to have to break this low and this low and this low if they really want to get back to where they were Sunday night. That's going to take a lot of doing, especially on the Friday before Labor Day, because things are going to clear out. As far as trading jobs is concerned, there's going to be a number. It's going to create a reaction range. We like to identify that range and then trade, around and through that range. That's the technique that we've used for almost a decade now, and it works really well. We'll be using it this morning. As far as numbers go, hourly mid, 39.5. VWAP is 41.5. 5-minute mid-band and our proprietary moving average come in right here at 42.75. So really 39 to 43 is going to be that range that's going to have to get decided as a bull-bear line. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Trade them well. Have a great Labor Day weekend. I will be back with a report, with a video Tuesday morning. Enjoy the holiday. Be well. Take care. And I'll talk to you then.